So we have the Triton code machine, high security code machine. So I've been using this machine for a couple weeks now. So far, happy with it. First of all, the screen only comes up so far, and I can see people yanking at this. I just leave it down unless I'm videoing. The interesting thing is whether this is up or down, it will still cut. So which is great for me because I don't have to jury rig anything to video. But it's a safety feature. This will still cut with this open, which I don't have a problem with, but we have to think of the stupid people out there. I cut a Kwikset key. There's Kwikset series. I can check my e-blank, my key blanks right here under key blanks. ESP, KW1. Go through all my numbers, all the different manufacturers. Got Ilco there. It's got all the main ones. So now it tells me which jaw. I got it on. It says this one should be on a B. It says it has to be cut on a B. Let's put the key in, and it's a shoulder check. So I've got it set up to B. I'm going to put my input. So I'm going to cut this. Let's just cut it as a 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, and it takes it. Then I go OK. I'm going to hit cut and we'll go look at the screen. Now here's my options. So there's laser cut, which I don't like. I like it look traditional key. Make sure it's on that. It's all set up properly. And let's hit cut. Okay, there we have a Kwikset key. Now, one thing when you're cutting the keys, the machine needs a metal key, brass, metal, whatever. And I guess because when it's setting up, it must put a little bit of a charge. So they say don't use composite keys, no plastic keys. If you stand the risk of damaging the machine. And I can see that because I think it must have some little sensor in there, a little bit of electricity or something as it's going on there. But right in the instructions, don't use composite keys. So that's plastics. We get some of these 3D printed keys now. So you can't cut that on this machine. So just a warning. I don't know the exact reason, but I imagine it's because it must put a small charge. So I guess aluminum would be okay because that's a conductor of electricity. Brass, of course, and the metal keys and all our other different alloys, but nothing that's plastic or composite keys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.